Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to change that, which is an indicator on a Touareg 2004 R5. Okay, so the bulb went out, so I thought I'll upgrade them to not the standard ones, but to the LED ones. First of all, you're going to need LED bulbs. I'm gonna show you what ones I've bought. There. See, so these are indicator LED panels. I'm gonna swap them for original ones. I'm gonna show you how to do it. So first of all, you're gonna need this tool, which is the headlamp remover for the Touareg. It is a socket, Allen key socket. Okay, so what you need to do is open the bonnet. I've already got the panels off because I was changing the turbo, so that's a new turbo. Okay, so you will see this here, which is an Allen key, and this is for the headlamps, and you can see the diagram. It's a bit worn off, but you need to twist anti-clockwise to push the headlamp out. So what you do is put this on there, and then you turn it anti-clockwise. Turn it, and the headlamp starts to go out, and then it stops. So don't force it, because you've got you can see there a little bit of metal there. You need to press on that and then wiggle the headlamp out, because that's the only thing that's holding it in, that piece of metal there. So use the same tool and just get in there and press on it. I'm gonna put the phone down now. There. Put the tool back in. Wiggle out. That's it. Headlamp should be on the socket there. So you've got it all out. Now let's close this. There we go. So now take the cover off, and that's where you need to get to. There. So what you need to do, I'm gonna put the phone down on this because I'm gonna need two hands. You need to grab it and twist it, and it releases. So you just twist it and it releases, and then you pull it out. Okay, so I've just undone it. Take it out. Take the bulb out. And this is burned. Now take the new one. Very bright. Put it in. And put it in. Sometimes with the LED headlamps, those lights, any just lights, you need to see which one is the plus and which one is the minus, because for this light, for this bulb, it doesn't matter which one is the plus, which is the minus. It just shortcuts and that's it. But for LED ones, you might need to swap this cable with this one if it doesn't work. Okay, so I've put it in there, locked it. That's it. Now put the cover on. Now you put the headlamp back into the car, and it's literally the opposite. That's the metal bit that you had to push to release the headlamp. So it's just the opposite. Position it, push it in until it locks in, through that metal bit. Then you turn this. Don't turn this key too hard. You can always break it. If it doesn't go, it doesn't go. Like for instance now, it just lifts because there's like a hook, and it pushes the headlamp, and it turns around and it comes again. But sometimes your headlamp will be in the position where the hook will hook into the flat bit, not into the opening. I'm gonna show you where the opening is. I'm gonna show you what it locks into. So that's the hook that it locks into. Sometimes your headlamp might be a little bit out and the hook will not go into here, but you'll push into here. If you force it, you're gonna break it. You're gonna break this screw that pushes it out. So what you do, if it doesn't go, just push the headlamp manually, and then you'll turn the key and it'll click, and that will be the lock. I'll show you now. Okay, so we got the new bulb in, put the headlamp in. There we are. Put the key. It pushes, then it goes round, and you see it goes round, and then it pushes the headlamp up because it goes into the wrong place. So you just push the headlamp and allow for the key to lock. That's it. Headlamp is locked. That's it. Now you test it. Let's put the hazards on and see how it works. There we are. That's the LED, and that's the original one. And you will see the difference when you see both. See, the LED one is brighter and is sharper. It's on and it's off, whereas the old one slowly goes on and slowly goes out. It's more of a, you can see it's an old age. So yeah, the LED panels, it just brings up your car to the new. Yeah, and that's it. And thank you for watching. I'll get my tools away. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.